Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, today we will practice of diagrams of lesson 7. Now that are parts of a plant, structure of a leaf and germination of a seed. Now let's start. Student, first diagram, parts of a plant. Okay, you can see here. Student, our body is made up of different parts. A plant's body too has different parts. Okay, now plant has two parts. First is root and second is shoot. Okay, now clear, root and shoot. The part of plant which grow above the ground means above the ground is called shoot. Okay, now clear. The part which grow below the ground is called root. Okay, now above the ground shoot, below the ground root. Okay, now clear. Now first is root. Okay, you know there are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot, when a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root. It is a taproot. Okay. Now example of taproot: people, hibiscus, rose and tomato. Now fibrous root, when a number of roots grow from the end of the stem. It is a fibrous root. Okay. Now plant like grass, wheat, rice and onion have fibrous roots. Now student, this is stem part of a plant. Okay. Now the stem grows above the ground. Okay. Now above the ground, the main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. Okay. Now clear? Now leaf. Okay. Now the most important part of the shoot is the leaf. Most living plants have green leaves. Okay. Now most living plants have green leaves. This is branches. You can see here, this is branch and this is bud. Okay. Now this is flower. The flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Student, do you know that most flowers grow into fruits? That is why a farmer feels happy when he sees flowers on his mango trees. He knows that these flowers will turn into fruits. Okay. Now fruits. Fruits have seed inside them. Okay. Now student, second is the structure of a leaf. Okay. Now leaf is the most important part of the shoot. It is usually green in color. The flat part, this is flat part. The flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade. Okay. Now flat part. Okay. Now you can see here some lines running across on the lower surface of a leaf. Okay. These lines are tube called veins which carry water and minerals to the leaf. Okay. A thin tube, you can see a thin tube running through the middle of the leaf is called main vein. Okay. Now clear? Many small, you can see many small veins arising from the main vein. Okay, from the main vein is called the side vein. Okay, now leaves also having tiny pores called stomata. This is stomata. Okay, on their lower surface, stomata help a plant to breathe. Now third, germination of a seed. Okay, now germination of a seed. A seed contains a baby plant. Okay, seed contain a baby plant. A seed need soil, water, air and sunlight to grow into a new plant. Okay, so the process of growth of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Okay, now clear? Student, your diagrams should be neat, clean and color. One more thing student, if you will not color your diagram in exam, your marks will be deducted. Okay, now homework, do the practice of diagram of respiratory system of lesson 9. Okay, now have a nice day. Thank you.